In this short tutorial, I'm going to guide you that how you can check your mail date-wise. So let's dive in. You simply have to open your mailbox and then you simply have to click the search in email. Once you click over here, you can see you have this option of date. Choose it and now you can choose any option over here like older than a week, older than a month, older than 6 months, or older than a year. Or you can choose custom range. And now just put in the date over here from and then to and then click OK. It's going to show you the results. The second method is you simply come to the search box and here you have to type before and then colons and then you have to just enter the date. Once you do so, it's going to show you the emails before that date. So that's the process that you can follow to do so. I hope you found the process easy and liked my video, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.